Welcome back to Auto Fusion. Today, we're diving deep into the exterior of the all-new 2025 Maruti Suzuki. This isn't just another facelift. It's a complete design evolution that reflects the future of compact cars in India and beyond. Let's start with the front profile. The 2025 Maruti Suzuki introduces a sharper, more aggressive grille that's larger and bolder. It integrates seamlessly into the redesigned LED headlamps. These headlamps now feature triple-beam DRLs that not only enhance visibility but also boost road presence. The front bumper is wider, lower, and sports aerodynamic cuts that direct airflow more efficiently. This change isn't just aesthetic. It helps improve fuel economy and performance. Moving to the sides, Maruti Suzuki has given the new model a more dynamic stance. The body lines are cleaner but sharper, with a strong shoulder line running from the headlight to the tail. New 16-inch diamond-cut alloy wheels add a premium feel. These wheels are housed in slightly flared wheel arches that hint at sporty ambitions. Side mirrors are now sleeker and come with integrated turn signals for a more refined look. The roofline is subtly lowered for better aerodynamics, but it still maintains enough headroom for practicality. A chrome beltline runs along the windows, adding just the right touch of elegance. Roof rails, though largely aesthetic, bring a touch of SUV-like ruggedness to the overall design. Now, let's take a look at the rear. The back of the 2025 Maruti Suzuki has undergone a major transformation. The taillights are now full LED with a new connected strip running across the tailgate. This design trend aligns with global automotive styling cues seen in higher-end models. The rear bumper is chunkier and includes a faux diffuser, adding a hint of sportiness. A subtle roof-mounted spoiler completes the rear profile, offering both style and aerodynamic benefits. Paint options have been upgraded too, with new dual-tone finishes that enhance the vehicle's modern look. From deep metallic reds to bold icy blues, each color variant has been carefully chosen to reflect contemporary tastes. Let's take a quick step back into history. Maruti Suzuki has always been known for practical, value-driven vehicles. But the 2025 model proves they are stepping up their game in terms of design and global appeal. The transition from boxy designs of the early 2000s to today's sculpted, bold lines is a clear sign of Maruti's evolution. In terms of exterior features, expect rain-sensing wipers, automatic LED headlamps, a shark fin antenna, and body-colored door handles with chrome accents. Even the underbody now features aerodynamic cladding to reduce drag. All these features are not just cosmetic. They serve a purpose in improving efficiency, comfort, and visual appeal. To sum it up, the 2025 Maruti Suzuki is not just a car. It's a statement of style, performance, and evolution in design. Stay tuned for more in-depth reviews right here on Auto Fusion. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.